In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best OBD2 scanners available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the OBD2 scanners list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the OBD2 scanners mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Launch CRP123X version 2.0 Scanner. The Launch CRP123X version 2.0 is a compact yet capable OBD2 scanner designed for quick diagnostics and repairs. It supports Wi-Fi updates, multilingual interface, and the latest hardware/software versions. It covers essential systems including engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS, and is compatible with a wide range of vehicles. With a user-friendly interface, real-time data, and auto-scan capability, this scanner is a great option for car owners who want reliable functionality in a portable design. Number 4, Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT. The Autel MaxiCOM MK900BT is an 8-inch OBD2 scanner featuring bidirectional control, 40 service functions, and protocols like DOIP and CNFD. It runs on Android 11 with a 1.8 GHz quad-core processor, 4 GB RAM, and 64 GB ROM, offering smooth and fast diagnostics. With Bluetooth connectivity, 1-year free updates, and lifetime tech support, this tool is ideal for professional garages and serious car enthusiasts. The MK900BT is a powerful upgrade from the MK808BT Pro, ensuring comprehensive diagnostics and advanced control. Number 3, FOXWELL NT809 Scanner. The FOXWELL NT809 is a premium OBD2 scanner offering all-system diagnostics and 30 reset functions. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, and one-touch updates. Key features include bidirectional control, active tests, and essential resets such as injector coding, ABS bleeding, DPF regen, and TPMS reset. With lifetime free usage and a 2-year warranty, the NT809 suits both beginners and professionals who want a trusted tool with long-term value and full vehicle system access. Number 2, KINGBOLEN S6 Car Scanner. The KINGBOLEN S6 is a full-system OBD2 diagnostic tool packed with 28 reset services and lifetime free software updates. Featuring a 6-inch 1280 by 800 LCD screen, it supports key diagnostics like ABS, SRS, TPMS, DPF, MO, and more. With 2 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, it runs smoothly and connects via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Autel technology allows instant vehicle identification. Built for advanced car owners and semi-professionals, this scanner is compatible with a wide range of brands including BMW, Ford, GM, and VW, making it a future-proof investment. Number 1, MUCAR CS6 OBD2 Scanner. The MUCAR CS6 is a powerful all-in-one OBD2 scanner designed for car owners and DIYers. It supports 6 major systems including ABS, SRS, ECM, TCM, BCM, and TPMS, and offers 7 reset functions such as OIL, EPB, SAS, ETS, TPMS, ABS, and DPF. Its 5-inch screen provides clear diagnostics, and lifetime free updates via Wi-Fi keep the tool current. With both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, it ensures quick access and wireless use. Ideal for those looking for reliable car diagnostics with professional-level functions at an affordable price.